Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing a rear-view camera in your vehicle. Today, we're focusing on enhancing your car's safety features by equipping it with a backup camera. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, this tutorial will walk you through the process, ensuring you do it safely and effectively. Let's begin with the essentials. First, it's crucial to choose the right camera. Opt for one specifically designed for your vehicle model to simplify the installation process. You'll find these cameras at most consumer electronics stores. Remember, selecting the right type of monitor is equally important. External monitors offer better visibility and are easier to replace, while internal monitors blend seamlessly with your car's interior. Now, onto the installation. Start by removing your rear license plate using a Phillips head screwdriver. Keep those screws safe. Next, access the rear wiring chambers by removing the interior panel in your trunk. You'll need to drill a small hole behind the license plate to run the camera's power and video cables through. Before threading the cables, slip a rubber grommet onto them to prevent leaks. Then pull the cables through the drilled hole into the trunk. Connect these cables to your car's reverse light wires, ensuring you match the positive and negative wires correctly. For the monitor setup, if you're using an external monitor, attach it to your windshield following the manufacturer's instructions. For internal monitors, either clip it over your existing mirror or replace it entirely.